It's the restoration of my lifetime.
Tom Riley is a master, and the XP-82 Twin Mustang is his masterpiece, which for him is kind of odd.
I'm a bomber guy. I've always loved bombers, B-17, B-25s, A-26s, B-24. That's why I've flown all of them.
But more than a decade ago, he set out to restore this airplane, and that's kind of fitting. Twin Mustangs were made to escort the bombers he loves, but P-51Ds were only making it home with 5 gallons of fuel after escorting B-29s over the Pacific.
We lost a lot of Mustangs, lost a lot of pilots that went in the water because they did not have the range to get back. With one bullet hole or one shrapnel hole in the water, anything like that, you'd lose the airplane, lose the pilot.
So the Twin Mustang was born. Now, while it's called a Twin Mustang, it's kind of a misnomer. It only shares a very few parts with the P-51, but it's 1.5 times the weight and has 2.5 times the horsepower than a P-51D. This thing can cook it. 300 miles per hour all day long out of 2 Merlins. As if they weren't a big enough challenge, you can't just call aircraft spruce for parts on this thing.
We have paid millions of dollars to machinists. We found the original plans, by the way, and we bought them from a fellow in California. He had them. They were told to bring them out back and burn them in a 55-gallon drum. The Mustang, the B-25, and the P-82 in 1953 when they all went out of production. He put them in the trunk of his 53 Chevrolet.
And thank goodness that knowledge stayed around for Riley's team to use. As for the future, well, how'd you like to have one of your own?
It's not for sale, but somebody might want it more than I want it.
At Sun and Fun, Paul Harrop, AOPA Live.